they are planning to train the teachers during the holidays. This is the only time that the delocalized teachers bond with their families. This is the only time that the children of the teachers bond with their parents. The Teacher Service Commission is breaching the social norms, which will lead to breaking homes, breaking families, and even depression, which will finally kill the teachers.
If I'll be paying for these modules, and then I'm paying for those 30 consecutive years, so I'll be paying for my modules, at the same time I'm having other responsibilities that I'm supposed to cater for. So I think that one again is really overburdening teachers.
We will only partake those modules when the Teacher Service Commission will foot the training fee, will pay allowances to the trainers, and will add monetary value upon completion of each module.
TSC inatuambia sisi walimu we are illiterate. Hatuna skills za kutosha kufundisha ati watoto wa CBC ama sijui ni nini.
We want to condemn that in the strongest language possible. That I think our employers do not know what they are doing.
I want to say this during the day, that teachers of Trans Nzoia are well trained, examined, certified, and qualified teachers. So somebody cannot say that we are unskilled, yet we have been doing this work for so long.
We resist the TPD modules that were launched by Teacher Service Commission last week in Semastea. Based on the issue on professional development, there are some issues that our members have raised, and we need also to raise to the Secretary General that launching the TPD modules at this moment is ill-time, and we resist. One of it is that recently we were given a non-monetary CBA 2021 to 2025 that, and the directive by the Salaries and Remuneration Commission on freezing of salary increase to all members for the next 2 years. Number two, we are alive also on the fact that COVID-19 pandemic has got some effects affecting also our members, and this has led to the increased cost of living, and we cannot be able to get the 6,000 that the TSC want us to get from here.
The TSC, who is our employer, is saying that we are going to do the modules over the holiday, and this holiday has been reduced to only 1 week. And when you look at that 1 week over the holiday, teachers are carrying papers to mark at home. The teachers have a lot of work to do. They are carrying papers. They have been teaching many lessons during the term, and they have really worked so hard to teach these students. And now when we are told that we are going to do the modules over the holiday, it becomes a challenge, because that's the time the teachers are supposed to go and meet their family. Just like what my colleague has said, the Secretary General, that most of the teachers have been delocalized. They have been moved away from their families. And that is the only 1 week that the teachers are supposed to go and meet their families. It will be stressing if these teachers will go for those modules. They'll find their husbands or wives have been taken by other people. And it's like the TSC. The TSC is like they want to support the breakages of the families. And we are saying at the BEC Nakuru, we are resisting the introduction of the modules, and we are saying we are not ready to do it over the holidays. If at all they want the teachers to do it, then let it be online. We can do it when we are at the comfort of our homes, with our family members and with our children.